Thank you for parking with Park My Share at Park by the Ports in Fort Lauderdale. Please be advised that all guests must pay the Park My Share exit fee to board the Park by the Ports shuttle. Your shuttle is available on demand, and you must alert the shuttle team when you're ready for pickup by calling them at 954-727-5566. After you land, grab your luggage by heading down to the baggage claim area. Once you have your bags, alert the shuttle staff that you are ready for pickup by calling Park by the Ports at 954-727-5566. To get to the shuttle area for all terminals 1 through 4, you'll walk outside, walk right, and look for the signs that say Shuttles to Off-Airport Parking under the letter E. Once you're at letter E, you'll wait for the Park by the Ports shuttle. It's very important that you've paid the Park My Share exit fee, as you will be showing your shuttle driver the paid QR code on your cell phone. Once you show the driver the paid QR code, you'll be able to access the shuttle and be taken to the Park by the Ports location. As you begin approaching your vehicle's location at Park by the Ports, remind your driver to drop you off at the Park My Share Turo section located in row 3. Depending on the busyness of the location, you may be dropped off at the front shuttle area and you may have to walk to your vehicle. It's just a short walk 3 rows up. Lastly, follow your host check-in instructions via the CarShare app on how to access your vehicle. After you get access to your vehicle, follow the exit signs where you'll leave where you entered from on 2nd Street by the church.